asuntoskeittiö yleensä Puistokatu 15 Kuusankoski, Kouvola, staircase G.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Sigma call buttons. And there on the inside, built in 2003, 5% foreign RMs, H72232. And it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2020. Turned 15 years old in last year, 2018. It doesn't beep. Props hydraulic 4 floors. These are really rare.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm not sure if I'm filming. If not, I'll have to take a separate video.
This the only one, or these are the only ones of this type found.
Yeah.
And with Delta on the inside. While the rest are with Kone. Yeah, I was not even filming this. So the address again.
Puistokatu 15. Staircase G.
In Kuusankoski, Kouvola, Finland. 5% sulfuric RMs built in 2003. H72232. Turned 15 years old in the last year, 2018. It's going to be expected in the next year, 2020. 4 floors, Sigma carbons and Delta on the inside.
Inspected by Inspector, maintained by Kone.
Interesting find.
Yeah.
There are 3 of them here. But it's a locked off residential building.
Yeah.
Quite a long window on the door.
Yeah.
That's quite rare too. I have found one from 1988. Kone in Kouvola.
The same type.
Yeah, like I mean the manual door has a very long window. Yeah, same type of door. And replaced an older one from 1926 or 27, I think. Just loppua koko loppu, no ei se mitään.
That's